Hello students, how are you all? Just playing on your mobile phones, watching movies, cartoons or studying also. I hope you all are utilizing your time wisely. As we all know about the COVID-19, it has locked us at our homes and made us feel bored. But students, don't be bored. Your teachers have planned many activities for you all so that you can learn something new while sitting at your home. So here I am your art teacher to teach you something creative, innovative so that you can utilize your time wisely. Today we're gonna make tea coasters using old newspaper. So now you have to take a newspaper, fold it into half and you have to split it with the scale. Now again fold it into half, press it, then again split it into two by using the scale. Now you have to make the strips, so you have to again fold it and then split it into two and using the scale. As you can see, you have got many strips through the newspaper. Now take one strip from the corner, start rolling it. While rolling, you have to be very patient because in the starting it will take little bit time, but then you will be at your best. Hold it from one side tightly so that it can't get loose and roll it slowly. Put it on the table and then start rolling it properly. Just keep in mind this stick should not get loose. Now at the end, take some Fevicol, put some Fevicol very little, not too much, very little, and then roll it and press it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then again take the other strip, start doing the same process again. As you can see in this, it will take little bit of time in the starting, but as soon as you will get habitual of it, it will go on smoothly. So you have to hold it very properly, little tight, so that this stick can't get loose. And slowly roll full strip. Then again put the Fevicol and use less of Fevicol. Like this you have to do all the strips and make a sticks. See, you can see so many sticks I have already made. Now take one of the stick, press it from the corner, and now you have to make a spiral. So from there only end, start rolling again. When you are rolling, just keep in mind that it can't get again loose, because if it will get loose, again your spiral will be loose and it will not look nice. So hold it from one hand, hold the spiral, and from the other hand roll the stick on that spiral very slowly. And now at the end put some Fevicol. Again I am saying put less Fevicol and then stick it. Press it for 2 to 3 seconds and then it will be done. Again take the other stick and do the same process. Like this you have to make 19 such spirals to make a tea coaster You have to take 19 sticks and then you have to make 19 spirals like this. Now we have 19 spirals like this. Now take one spiral, put some glue all over the side of the spiral, place it down, then take the second one and place beside this. Now you have to make a flower using these spirals. So take one spiral, put some Fevicol and then stick side by side to each other. Use less Fevicol, not too much and not too less. Now see, you can see. Now press it properly. Put some Fevicol under each joint. Spread it with your fingers and then leave it for at least 20-30 minutes so that it can be dried up and ready to use. Now it has been dried up. You can see it is little hard also. Now you can use it as a tea coaster. You can put under your cup. Now the second type is this, just the simple spiral. Here you will be needing 9 to 10 sticks. Then with this you have to make a spiral and then you have to use rest of the sticks in the continuation form only. Like one is finished, then you have to take the second one, again put the Fevicol, stick it all over it, then the third like this. You have to stick 9 to 10 sticks so that it can come a big spiral. When you're sticking the sticks, in the starting also and at the end also, you have to press for at least 2 to 3 seconds so that it can be sticked on that, otherwise it will again and again remove. While making this, be patient, little bit patient, because this needs a time. Hold it properly, stick the sticks properly like this. Put all the 9 to 10 sticks. You can put more also if you want big spiral. Now tea coasters are ready and you can use it. Bye bye.